The topic of today's sermon is the loveless people. Anyone who has adequate resources of this world and sees brethren in need but has no compassion for them is a loveless person. The love of God is not residing in whoever has material possessions and sees brothers or sisters in need but refuses to help. You cannot confess to love God if you fail to pity the poor people. You cannot claim to love God if you are rich and see others in need, but close your heart against them. You do not love God if you see the less privileged and have the means to do something about it, but turn a cold shoulder and do nothing. This is according to the first book of John, chapter 3, verse 17. And I will read, "But whoever has this world's goods and sees his brother in need and shuts up his heart from him, how does the love of God abide in him?" You must pity and assist others in order to prove that you love God and the love of God is residing in your life. You need to continue doing what is right without relenting to prove that you are obedient to your Maker. You must not grow tired of doing good if you want your Creator to be pleased with you. If you do not get discouraged in doing what is right, it means the love of God is residing in you and you love others like yourself. Please remain blessed. May the Lord bless his words.